Hello friend, I have this TP-Link Daco X90 AX6600 whole home mesh Wi-Fi system, and today I am just providing you the guideline how to configure with your ISP. It is very easy and do the configuration only through Daco application. If you don't have the Daco application, you can go to the Google Play Store, download Daco application and install it in your mobile phone, register it and do the configuration. Make sure that if your ISP line is dynamic, no need anything, just plug and play. If you have the static or PPPoE, so please confirm your static IPs from your ISP, and for PPPoE connection you need a username and password from your ISP. Make sure that the both information you have with you, then you need to do configuration. So if you want to use as a access point, just connect the cable from your master router and connect to this and do the configuration as a access point. So that as a access point mode, no need any kind of information. So let's start how to configure the Daco X90 with the PPPoE ISP connection. So before we started, just requested to you, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and press the bell icon. So first we have our mobile phone. You can see it here is the Daco application, and you can see the light on the Daco unit is flashing blue. So I will open it. After that, I already registered my Daco application and I have my username and password and confirm password. The first page will be open the same like this. You can see it. First you have to see there is a 2 Ethernet port and one we have connected to our ISP line. This is the line from ISP and second port is empty, and then we need to start the configuration. Let's see. You can see the first page for the Daco application will be like this. Let's begin. So we have to press the button. Make sure that before you do the configuration, turn on your location and Bluetooth in your mobile phone, and then press the let's begin. After let's begin, you can see there is so many models are available, so you can see which model do you have. We have X90 and we can select it. After that, what you will do, no need to think anything that have or not have, but just you can see the light should be flashing blue, and after press the next button and then next button, next, and then internet LED is stable. You just press the next button and Daco LED is flashing blue. Press the next button and then the device will find the Daco. You can see it now front of you. No need to do think all of the option which is coming on the Daco application. You need to just press the next option. You can see it here. After it's looking for the Daco, and when it will find, you will see the next page. After looking the Daco, you will see where you want to place it. So we have to put in living room, and then next step you can see it, and light should be. Now here you can see the WAN connection type. This is from your internet connection from your ISP. You can see, just click it here. After that you will see the connection type. There is PPPoE, static, L2TP, PPTP. So our connection is PPPoE, and after that we need to type the username and password from our ISP. So after the username and password, we need to press the next button. You can see it. I have typed the all information for ISP and then press the next button. After next button, you can see this option will show you the create your wireless network name. So here you have to create it whatever you want. We have to type RAD network. and then type any password whatever you want, make secure anything. But there is home shell also, the network security there is available in DACO application and DACO X90. You can see it's create, and then here it will show you the username, wireless network name and password that you can confirm it. After we need to press the next button. You will see the light here also. When it will see the light, now it's green, so it means our DACO is now ready for the setup. And now you can see it in DACO application is connecting to the network which we have created. After that, our one DACO, the master one which we do the configuration, is ready for the internet. You can just wait for a few seconds and you will see your mobile will be connected automatically to your network. What you have created in DACO application, you will see connect. Still connecting. It will take a few seconds, few minutes to be connected. Either if not, then you need to connect manually. After manually you can find it here, the DACO will find it. Sometime it will connect automatically and sometime not. When it's not connecting, you can go to the wireless setting and connect. So now here you can see your DACO network is now up. Make next and got it. After that you will see there a network, home network. You will see here the DACO is online now. If you need any other information, you can press this. Here you can see the all dot options. You will see the wireless, Wi-Fi, network optimize, backhaul, update, DACO, advanced feature, everything. And you can see there is a scanner and printer control also available. So whole facilities are available in the DACO application. So this is the setup for how to configure the DACO X90. Hope you like this video, and please press the like button also. Thank you for watching.